You gotta be louder. It's your show. You wanted to do this. Go.
Welcome back to Outback, Polaks. I hope you had a great weekend.
It's Thursday.
I don't know.
Have a great week.
Have a great week.
Did you just break that?
No, it just fell off.
It does. Welcome back to Outback Polaks. Right, Lumi?
Yeah.
Hope you had a great week wherever you are around the world. Lumi wanted to make white chocolate pudding, as in the previous vlog on how to make pudding. Up there, click it. Right? Up here. Up there. Click it. Watch the first chocolate pudding. This one is white chocolate pudding. And Lumi's gonna cook it all up. So
we have more ingredients.
We last time it was too thick, so we decided to maybe increase a little bit more milk. And this time with the flour, even spoons of flour, 2 eggs, white chocolate about 800.
2 eggs.
2 egg yolks. What else? Just a spoonful of sugar this time, not 3 spoons.
3 spoons of
white chocolate. How much white chocolate? So about 180 grams of white chocolate, cooking chocolate. But we've already eaten a bar, so it's a little bit less. So I'm gonna record today, so the footage isn't shaky like Lumi's. And you're gonna poison us. I mean, cook for us. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, what should people do?
Subscribe and like for more videos.
And share. Share. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
So what do we do first? So the first step, boil the milk. So while the milk is boiling?
In here. No, we first put milk with the eggs.
No.
Yeah.
Put the eggs in the milk.
How can we just do it in a bowl?
Because that's a pourer. You can pour from there. So the egg...
Artwork.
Artwork, okay? What's next?
We put the flour.
How much flour?
3 spoons.
Soup spoons. And not heaped this time. Yeah. Sugar we'll leave till the last bit. Okay. Not that one. Whisker. Whisk it for the biscuit. You gotta tell people what to do.
You gotta keep stirring. You can't leave it.
That's when you're cooking it. What are you doing right now?
I'm just mixing it.
Just mixing it? How's school?
Not cool.
Not cool. Apparently teacher lost her assignment. Or the dog ate it. Yep. Alright, so the milk is boiled.
I don't want to burn my hand. I'll drop this.
Then don't drop it.
But I don't want to.
Okay. No, leave it. Leave the heat. What's next? What's next?
You put the white chocolate.
Yep, let's do it. White chocolate has to be melted. Quick, before it gets too hot. You want me to do it for you? There you go. Spatula. Hold it with one hand and stir with the other. Stir it in. Make sure it's all melted.
It's already melting.
Yeah, because the milk's really hot. Keep going. Melt. Who's cleaning this afterwards? Not me.
You.
I said not me.
Shut not. Mark's doing it.
Yep, Mark's doing it.
What I said I had to do the taste testing is what I offered.
You're gonna get food poisoned first.
Yeah. Okay, so now what? Back on the heat?
Yeah.
Yep, and I'll bring the mixture for you. And what do you have to do now?
Mix. You can't stop mixing.
Yeah, can't stop mixing, right?
Let's put the sugar in.
Ah, sugar. Yeah. Because we're not sweet enough, are we?
Yeah.
Here you go. Put it in. Nice work, number 1. And how long do we stir for?
5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Yeah.
I think it's until it gets thick. Alright, it's been a minute. Is it getting thick?
No.
Do we need more flour? What do you reckon?
You want to feel it?
Oh yeah, it's getting thicker.
But I think that's as thick as it goes.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Well, you're supposed to stir it until it starts boiling. That's when it becomes thick. Keep going. At least it's not as thick as last time. Last time was too thick. Oh, that's looking good.
Now it's going super thick. Look.
Yep. That is getting thick. Good work. I think we've definitely perfected the recipe this time. What's your opinion?
I think we're done.
We're done? What the hell?
Get this off.
Hello? Hello?
Who?
Chocha Isa.
Oh, she doesn't sound like chocolate either.
Okay, her a bowl as well.
Cool. All right. Wow.
We have old
dishwasher.
bowls. This
Okay, do you want me to pour it for you?
Yes, please.
Looking good. Oh wow, it's really thick. Nice
We
work.
have 4 bowls.
Yeah, another bowl.
That's 1, 2, 3.
I think we put too much in. What about Cha-Cha?
Yep.
Got it. We're gonna get a proper Polish cook in here in a minute to taste test for us, which is my sister, Chocha Isa.
Okay.
Come on, Isa. In the vlog. This is Lumi's invention, so if you get food poisoning. Ready?
Smells good.
How is it, Lumi?
It's hot.
Wow. That's really good.
Smells like white chocolate.
Mmm. How is it?
It's pretty good.
I like this better than the dark chocolate one.
Look at this. It's not as thick as the last time. See? And you were worried not enough flour.
Mmm.
Very nice.
I don't think it needed the extra sugar though. What do you reckon? How's your recipe?
I think I should be in that website.
Which one?
That website that we used.
My Kitchen Rules.
No.
Junior. My kitchen.
Oh, the Polish.
Junior's my kitchen.
The Polish recipe website. What do you think? Should Lumi write down her Polish recipes on the website? Put it in the comment section below. What do you think?
Yeah, for sure. This is very good.
The next Polish cook in the family.
I sit down.
And it's recording. End the vlog.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you at the next one. I don't think we're going to get food poisoning this time. That was really good.
This tastes awesome.